There's a lot one can experience on the web these days with the power of just one click. Shopping, multimedia, even a complete virtual world. And now, for the first time, you can experience an IT infrastructure setup where what you see is truly what you get. At Emerson Network Power, we anticipate our customers' ever-changing business needs. That's why we're global leaders in enabling business-critical continuity. Now we've created a secure, virtual, do-it-yourself IT infrastructure system. An online software that lets you design and visualize an IT infrastructure network that meets your requirements and specifications. All of this in just a few clicks. There are 3 applications in this system. Ready Rack, which allows you to configure your own rack. Config IT lets you populate the rack with IT equipment and get a first-hand experience of suitable power and cooling solutions in stunning 3D. And finally, Control D lets you place racks in a data center space to get a BOQ, floor plans, CFD details, etc. Let's begin by configuring our own rack. You begin by creating a login and a project to keep your information secure and personalized. There are 3 support applications within Ready Rack. Rackanizer is a complete knowledge center where you will find product manuals, specification sheets, brochures, and white papers. This is your complete knowledge center. iConfig is an intelligent configurator. Here, you can configure a rack and take a good 3D look at it with all its accessories. You can also use X-ray vision to look into the rack interiors as well. Virtuazole. This virtual solution enables you to view a populated rack with accessories, KVM, and monitoring options. Let's go on to Config IT, which makes configuring your IT infrastructure simpler than ever before. Here, you can customize and populate your rack with IT equipment like servers, storage, networking, and peripheral devices. And you can view all the load details per rack. Each solution, of course, depends on the rack configuration you're opting for. This can be either Noor Miracle or Noor PNR42. Once you've populated your rack or racks, we'll suggest the ideal power backup and cooling solutions for the facility. You can then place the racks in a data center floor space. Mr. Green will help you out with tooltips for optimized performance. You can move ahead and have a look at the 3D version of your configured data center. You can clearly see airflow patterns in both hot and cold aisles. Control D. You can also create a 3D walkthrough of your network room. We suggest you implement both conventional and supplemental cooling in order to eliminate hotspots. And of course, you can examine floor layouts in 2D and 3D as well. You can contact our team and place your order through secure gateways. Visit www.emersonnetworkpower.co.in/tools and experience your IT setup before you actually set it up. With Emerson, consider it solved.